This customer brought me their hard drive because they want it wiped completely clean. And I'm going to show you how to do that with just Windows. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure this is plugged in, but I'm going to use a USB hard drive reader. Now that we have that in place, we're going to want to flip on the switch. And I can feel that thing coming to life. And then right click on the bottom left where the Windows icon is and click Disk Management. This could take a while. Once we've opened that up, we can verify the drive, which is 465 gigs. And as you can see, we have some data there that the customer wants completely gone. So hit the search icon and type in command prompt, and then we'll open this. And then type in disk part, one word. Click yes. This could also take a second, but once you see disk part right here, you're good to go. Next, you're going to want to type out list disk and hit enter, and we can see our disk right there with the data. So we are now going to type select disk 2, which as you can see, that is the disk we want to erase. Make sure you're very careful when selecting. And we can see disk 2 is now selected. So now you can type in the clean command and it will wipe all the data from the drive. But we can go one step further. If we use clean all, it's going to write bits to every possible sector of this hard drive, making any previous data completely unrecoverable. Versus if you just used clean, you wouldn't see data on the drive, but it could technically be recovered. Just note that on a 465 gigabyte disk, it's going to take a long time. It took about 30 minutes to completely clean this Kingston SSD, and it's only 246 gigs. So I'm going to run the clean all command and hit enter, and I will update you guys when it's finished. We can also see in Task Manager that that disk is being utilized to 100%, so it's working all right. And as we can now see here, there is no more activity, and we can see that disk part has succeeded in cleaning the disk. That's how you know it's done. That really only took about 2.5 hours from a hard drive going into the PC via USB. That's really not even that bad. And as we can see, it is now asking us to initialize the disk because it is completely unallocated. Now remember, you are going to have to initialize this if you want to actually use it, but that's all right. The customer's happy. Every bit of data is completely gone.